Hi everybody, it's Derek here. Today I have with me this case of Tide Pods. This is a very large case of 104 packs, 6.79 pounds. 4-in-1 action, Ultra Oxy. This is what it looks like on the front, and here's the information below if you want to pause to read it. Flip it around to the back side, it has these grips for handles, and here's the label for all the instructions and warnings and everything else. English on the left, Spanish on the right. Comes in very handy, 2 different languages. Here's the lid. To open it, you press the sides and rotate it counterclockwise, like so. You have your recommended amount for laundry right here. Holds the pods nice and tight inside. And here is what one of the pods looks like outside the bag. It's nice and soft, very useful. Just toss it in and run your washer. Very effective, and I highly recommend you try it out.